Hey guys, so I'm doing a video on my second generation Lego axle sorter, and so I'm using a Raspberry Pi, and I'm using the GPIO breakout hat, which I'm using a OSEP H-bridge or motor driver to take the 12 volts and power the Lego motor, the NXT Lego motor, to drive the chain fed conveyor. And you can see there's holes in the there's gaps in between the chain. They are gauged at different sizes to allow different size axles to fall into the cups. So as you can see here, Lego has their own sizing description of their axles. And so there is a size 4, size 6, size 8, size 10, and size 12. So you can see that I have a, so this will be an example of a, sorry, I'm dropping them. That would be a size 4, right? This would be a size 6, a size 8. All right, and let's see if I can find one. There's a perfect, there's a size 10. And so there is a size 12 and bigger. So there we go. So that's the different axle sizes. Let's see if I can get a good line up there. So this would be 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So you can see size 4, size 6, size 8, size 10, and size 12. All right? So I'm also thinking about putting a PIR motion sensor, so when the axles drop into the green hopper, it'll automatically detect motion and then start running the conveyor. So let's give it a try. Okay, so I'm remoted in through VNC, so I'm remoted into my Raspberry Pi through my laptop. So let me pull up the program, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit go. So alright, there's the conveyor going. Alright, so let's do a 4. So it's going to drop in this hole, which is also this cup. So let's go ahead. It's going to go really fast, okay? So let me get a good handle on this without putting my fingers in front of the camera. Alright, so here we go. Ready? Dropped in the 4, okay? Alright, so let me see if I can capture that hole. So I'm going to drop this guy in. Alright, so he's going to pass the 4, and he went into the 6. Alright, now I'm going to put in the 8, so he should go to this cup right here. Alright, so that cup it should drop in. Let's follow it. Alright. Actually, he went into the 6, so maybe I need to fix the gauging of the gap. So let's do a 10. Alright. Wow, he actually he went to the end, so I need to do a little bit of refinement. So we'll do the longest, and it should go all the way to the end. Well, it looks like, oh, okay, so now I need to make a few adjustments, but let's put some really long ones in there. I know this one will definitely go to the end. Right, so it looks like I need to do a little bit more adjustments. So maybe I had that too far away. Yeah. But you can see that it goes to the end. So I'm going to throw a bunch of little ones in there for right now. Alright. And so it looks like I need to do a little bit. I don't have the complete finished project yet. I still looks like I need to do a little bit of a fine tuning, but this is where I'm at with this axle sorter. Okay, let's just throw a couple in there. So the black axles are actually even numbers, and the grays are odd numbers. So this won't work too well with the grays, but I mean they'll go into the cups, but you know, you'll have a mixture of odds and evens. Okay. And just put a couple more in there. Just grab a handful. We'll just grab a handful of the axles. Alright. Okay, so there's another issue. It looks like I'm gonna make the hopper really narrow and maybe even make the hopper have some kind of vibration so it can shake the axles into place. So, but it's you know, it's getting there. It takes a little bit of tweaking, some fine tuning, but the concept's there. So maybe I'll have the hoppers come in so you don't have these where you see the edges of the conveyor. So maybe I'll have the green conveyors coming a little bit closer, make it a little bit narrow. So I can definitely do that. So it's going to require a little bit of tweaking, a little bit of refinement, but the general idea is there. So let me clear all these out so you can see them go down the conveyor. Okay. Oh, that one fell out. Alright, so like I said, the general purpose is there, but it's going to take a little bit of fine tweaking with narrowing the hopper, maybe even make the hopper taller, and maybe even have a dither in there so it vibrates a little bit to shake the axles into the conveyor. And then it looks like I'm going to have to gauge my, maybe resize the gaps in between the conveyors so it can accurately get the right sizes and the right cups. And especially the end cup, I need to bring that a little closer so the long axles, the size 12s and longer, can go into the cup without spilling out. So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching my video. Please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe. I make no money off of this, but I just like sharing knowledge with all students of engineering, or just you know, the hobbyist, or you know, just anyone that's willing to learn. So all right, guys, take it easy.